Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Python video. Today we're going to answer a user submitted question. Whether that user ever ends up seeing this is unknown, but I got a good question and it goes to show, feel free to put your questions in the description. I might consider them for a video. And someone asked me a while back, how can I tell if a Python process is running or a Python script is being ran? And today we're going to look into that. How do we do that in Python? And yeah, hopefully, trying to think of a use case. Maybe you have a Python process that's supposed to be continuously running, and maybe you want to check in on it every hour or so just to make sure that is the case. And if you like this kind of content, please feel free and consider subscribing. That way you don't miss any fun videos in the future. I'm just trying to learn new things programming wise, and when I do, I like to share them with you guys, and hopefully we can both learn together. And the first thing we're going to do is install a Python library called PSUtil, which stands for Process and System Utilities, and it's a cross-platform library for retrieving information on running processes. And you can probably already guess why that's important, because we can use this to see if any of those running processes are Python. So the first thing I want to do, and once again, ignore that this Python file is called class. It's just I'm reusing Python files. The first thing I want to do is pip install PSUtil. However, I already have this installed, so I don't have to worry about it. And something else I did, I went ahead and created another Python file called running. And all this is doing is just sleeping 1000 seconds. So I'm going to run this, and then we're going to run our script to see if it can catch that this script is running. So back to our class.py, the first thing we want to do is import PSUtil. And then here, I'm going to make a new variable called processes, and that's going to be equal to a new list. And we're going to use list comprehensions here. So P for P in PSUtil.processIter. And what this does is it goes ahead and it lists all of the running processes for us. But of course, we don't care about all of the processes. We only care about the ones that are running Python. So if p.name, and that's with parentheses, dot lower is going to be in this list, and our list is just going to, for now, contain python.exe. Now, if you want to add other executables to this list to see if they are running as well, you can feel free to do so. But in my case, I only care about Python being ran. Okay, and lastly, let's just print this out to see if it works. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run that running script, and it's going to sleep for 1000 seconds. And in a second terminal down here, clear this too, I'm going to run this new class Python script. And here we can see we have two things running. We have one PSUtil process with this process ID, this name, status is running, and it was started at 1923, which is right now. And then we have another one that started at 1923, which is pretty close now too. And that's because we are running this class.py script. So it's picking up not also the other one that's running, this running.py script. It's also picking up the one that it's written in. But how do we know which one is the class.py running, and how do we know which one's the running.py running? So what we can do is, instead of just p.command line, and if we run this, it'll give us the information, hopefully, that we're looking for. So here's the path to my Python executable, and here is the file that's being ran. So it's running.py, and then this is also the Python executable, and this Python script being run. One last thing I want to say is you probably don't care about the Python script that's checking to see if other Python scripts are running. That kind of defeats the purpose. So we want to ignore this class.py file being ran. So I can do one last thing. I can say and p.command line. And notice that down here, it's a list of lists. So the first item in the list is where's my Python executable. The second in the list is what is it running, what Python script is being ran. So we want index 1 to pick up the second item in the list. And then right after our and, we can say and this string, so class.py is not in this value right here. So if this string is found in this string, it will ignore it. So I know it's a very long list comprehension, but I think it'll do our job. So let's clear this and let's run this again. And here now we only get the one Python file that is not class.py, that is indeed running as we speak. So there you go. This is how I would check to see if any Python processes are running and what, in fact, Python script it's running as well. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for asking this question, and feel free to ask other questions down below if I think it's a good one, or if I know the answer at least, or if I think I can look up the answer, I'll be sure to make a video on it. Because chances are you're not the only one with that question. So once again, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in a future video.